Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create API keys in WooCommerce. This is essential if you want to connect your WooCommerce store to third-party apps, automation tools, or custom integrations. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the account that has access to your WooCommerce store, as you'll need the proper permissions to generate API keys. Once you're logged in, look over to the left navigation menu and click on WooCommerce. This will expand a set of options related to your store. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. This takes you to the main settings page where you can configure various aspects of your WooCommerce store. Now, from your WooCommerce settings page, direct your attention to the top part of the screen. You'll see several tabs there. Click on Advanced. This section contains more technical settings that allow you to fine-tune how your store operates. Once you're in the Advanced tab, scroll down slightly and you'll see different sections listed below. Click on REST API keys. This is the dedicated page where you can create and manage API keys for your WooCommerce store. On the REST API keys page, click on Create an API key. This will bring up the key details form where you'll configure your new API key. Start by typing in a description for this key. This is helpful if you plan to create multiple keys for different integrations, so make it something descriptive like Zapier integration or mobile app access. You'll notice the user field is pre-filled with your WordPress account, which is the account that will own this API key. Next, set the permission level. You have three options here: read, write, or read/write. Choose read if you only want the integration to pull data from your store. Choose write if you need it to create or update information. Or select read/write if you want full access for both retrieving and modifying data. Once you've made your selection, click on Generate API Key. After clicking that button, you'll be presented with two keys, the consumer key and the consumer secret. You'll also see a QR code for this API key, which can be scanned by mobile apps that support it. These keys are what you'll use to authenticate your WooCommerce store with external software. Make sure to copy and store these keys securely, as the consumer secret won't be displayed again once you leave this page. And that's it. You've successfully created your WooCommerce API keys, and now you can freely add them to any software integration or third-party service that requires access to your store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.